HOAs, or Homeowners Associations, are planned communities with common management and shared amenities residents might not get if they were on their own. Maybe a community center, fitness center, a pool, common outdoor areas with landscaping, and children's playgrounds. Here's just a sample of some HOA play areas from AAA State of Play. Let's start with Harmony Park, a sprawling HOA with large green spaces, several amenities, and 2 play areas. Their shopping list included a unique structure with several activities. Platypus Plunge is a standout, a destination and drawing card, capable of handling many kids at once. The Craggy Pinnacle adds a unique climbing structure. There are swings for all ages and abilities, and other freestanding equipment and park furnishings, turning this into a community place for all ages to play and socialize. A secondary and smaller playground nestled between a pool, basketball, and racquetball courts is a scaled-down play area that's convenient and less crowded. AAA State of Play can help plan, design, stock, and build your HOA or neighborhood playground with high-quality, durable, commercial playground equipment. Large structure, mid-size, or something small and just right. We can pack a lot into a little. Here's a mid-sized play area in a HOA that features 2 structures, our Victory Field and Cruise in the Caspian, a 4-seat teeter-totter, and a swing set. This community has several smaller playgrounds dotted throughout the neighborhood. They're a wonderful complement to green space and curb appeal. HOA playgrounds increase property values for both homeowners and the neighborhood, a true selling point. This smaller playground at an HOA covers all the major bases. The structure includes 2 wave slides, a curved slide, craggy climbing wall, pod climber, pixel climber, 2-bay swing set, a sit and spin, whizzy-dizzy spinner, and outdoor furnishings. Enough ideas and designs to make your head spin. HOA playgrounds can be a true destination for residents of all ages and interests. This colorful playground, nestled between trails and walking paths, includes unique structures like the custom sandstone quarry, the Goody 2 slides, good for that first ride on the slide, spring bouncers, and lots of outdoor furnishings to rest, relax, and socialize. And don't forget the dogs. They need a safe, clean place to play. More neighborhoods and communities are putting in dog parks, a perfect place for pups and people to get fresh air, exercise, and do their duty in safe and defined confines. A place to play, to relax, and meet the neighbors. HOA playgrounds from AAA State of Play. It really is a beautiful day in the neighborhood.